In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Instagram account. So if you had decided to take a break from Instagram and you went ahead and deactivated your account, then this tutorial will help you to get back your account. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go to our Instagram account, and this is the account that I want to show you how you can reactivate it. First, I'll go ahead and deactivate this account, and to do so, I'll just tap on the profile, go to the three lines here, and then proceed to the account center, and then personal details, and then account ownership and control. And then I'll go ahead and deactivate this account so that I can show you how we can reactivate it. So I only have one. So I'll go ahead and deactivate account. And to deactivate account, I'll need to enter my password to complete the process. So I'll do so. And once done, I'll tap on continue to deactivate my account. So I am out. Then I'll select a reason why I am deactivating. I just want to take a break and go ahead and continue here, and then select on deactivate account. So my account has been deactivated and I'm now off Instagram account. So to reactivate the account, all I need to do is to go and tap on Instagram account and open it. Then here I'll tap on log into another account, and here now I'll have to enter my username or email address and password, and here we go, and then log in. And immediately I'm in. Now the only thing I need to do is to save my profile. As you can see, I am in like I never left. So that's how you reactivate your Instagram account if you had deactivated it. In short, to reactivate your Instagram account is just to log in with your details. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.